Hello everyone. Today I'm here for a tutorial on Adobe Spark video on a mobile device. I'm using an iPhone for this tutorial, but please remember that you can use all other different Android devices or an iPad, and they are going to be very similar or at same interfaces. So you don't need to worry about the use of different device. First of all, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and just look for Adobe Spark Video, uh, where you can get these application and you can download them. Since I have already downloaded them, I don't need to go and download them, but you can go ahead and download them. And once you are done with your download, you can open your app from there, or you could just open your app from your home screen, and it will ask you to log in. You can use your UNM ID to log in. If you have any problem with logging with UNM ID, please visit creativecampus.unm.edu or leave a comment in this video so that we can help you with that. Also, there is a form link to the form which I will attach along with this video. If you need anything, just please fill out the form. Once you are logged in the application, you can see that this is how it's going to look like. There's going to be one, two, and three options at the beginning, and there's also one with settings. Here, let's start with the settings. You can go to settings, and you can start with your tutorial, and you can also and the other options are, you can uh, just see which account you're connected with, and then you can sync your projects, which I will get to later on as we go forward. But this enables the sync, and the second option, it enables only over Wi-Fi. That means that it's not getting synced if you are on mobile data. And the other one is help, where you can go and find different topics which might be useful, and you can also contact the support for Adobe if necessary. And there should be users data which you can opt out to share, uh, and notifications if you'd like some, and about the applications. And here you can connect with Adobe Spark for inspiration and other ideas that you like. And here's a tab saying inspiration, where there are several videos made out of Adobe Spark, which you can take your time and have a look. Some of them are pretty nice, and some of them are just fine. And second, and on the right, you can see that these are the gallery of videos that you've made in the past. As you can see, I had sync enabled, so even if I created video using other devices, they are getting synced, and I can see them in my libraries. So this is going to be the same if I save my video if I create a video from my iPhone, and if I sync it, I can access the same video from other devices as well. Here you can see the download option. Though they are in your cloud, you'll need to download them if you would like to have access to them. That shouldn't be a problem. You can just click this download option, which you can see here. And we also have this another option saying create a new video. You can either start with photos, or when you go to the editor, you can import your videos from them. So I will start from my photos. Here you can see that there's an option where you can select more photos from your gallery, or just use the photos that are already in your gallery. This is a new feature in iPhone 14. So if you are confused on about this, please let me know. So I'll just select the photo that I have in my gallery. Now this is my editor mode. Here you can see that I'm already in the editor mode, where I could have imported one or several photos to begin with. Also you can start with without any photo. Just go to editor, where you can import everything you want later. For first, let's see options that you can see. If you have seen the video for Spark in a mobile version, you might have noticed all the features are pretty much same, except that they are in different places. Except for that, they should be similar to what you've seen before. First off, let's start with the top features on the top. Layout. This is going to be the layout for the current selected clip. When I mean that, you can add several clips. So as you can see, this is first, second, third, and it goes on. When I choose the layout, it's going to change the current layout. It could be either full screen, split screen, where you can add two different media, or one where you can add caption or just title that looks like a header. I'm going to add, okay, uh, I'm going to make it just like a title, and then I'm going to add an image, my photo. So I'll just add these. Here you can see that you can add just the photo you imported. You can zoom, pinch in, zoom out, and you can work whatever way you would like. And you can see you can add text. I'm just gonna give a title for the clip saying the day, and you can also add, you can make a uh, as you might have noticed, you can increase or decrease the font. There aren't many options, but I think with the few limited options, there are a lot of things that you can do. And you can see this is my title, and here you can see there's a time, so that this indicates how long this particular clip is going to say. I'm going to keep it 4 seconds long. And as you can see, the next one is theme. You can change the theme. You can just change your theme on a press. So I think this is really easy. Here you can type, this is description. When you choose the theme, you select the background color and the font along with this. And this is the first clip, this is the second clip. And now, as you might have seen, I changed, the font stays consistent. So the font in the previous clip also changed. And also you might have noticed something. There was something saying add your brand. This is a unique feature in Adobe, where you can add your brand, so that all your fonts color and your theme are consistent, so that it represents your brand. If you are trying to advertise for your brand, the key to stay consistent throughout your videos, so that audience get used to it, so that it gets easier during marketing. If and This is one thing. And as we move forward, there is resize. This applies throughout the for all the for all the for the entire video. As you might have seen, I resized one of the clip, and now all of my videos, the entire video is getting resized, uh, so that your video stays consistent. And there shouldn't be much to this feature. And here's the music. As you might have seen, there are few templates for the music. You can add them if you like, or you can remove them. And also, as we move forward, I'm going to show you how you can record audios along with it. And also you can choose from your itunes or from your files. So music and audio shouldn't be a problem. If you'd like to record them, you can just press the button for mic, and you can add your voiceover without any problems. Now, after we are done with the video, if you'd like to export them or share with somebody, here we can go to the share, where there are several options. One you could save to the camera roll, or you could directly post it to your Facebook, Twitter, email, or send it as a message, or even copy in your clipboard where you can copy, where you can paste wherever you like. This is your this is where your video is, and if you press the play button, this shows for the particular clip. But if and this is the time for the particular clip. But then if you want to see your entire entire video, you could go at the top, you could go at the bottom left and press the play, where it shows the entire clip that you've made so far. As you can see there, you can duplicate or you could preview from here to see just this particular clip. uh, and this is basic Adobe Spark video. As you might have noticed, there are very few things that you can do from mobile, especially. But with these features, I think there's a lot of how you can use your creativity, and there are a lot of things that you can do. And if you need this could be a great replacement for Adobe, for Microsoft PowerPoint, where you can present your slideshows along with videos and pictures and with interesting themes. And if you'd like to have more videos on Adobe Spark videos, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.